Hey everybody, this is Bonnie and welcome to my channel. Today's nail art is a collaboration I did with some other fantastic ladies here on YouTube. The collaboration is a snowman winter theme, so we all represented something winter on our nail art. My nail art is representing a blizzard, so I created a double water marble. My video shows typed instructions, but if you have any questions, please ask. I've added all the other photos from the ladies at the end of the tutorial, so please stay to see them. I've linked their channel in the description box below so you can watch their videos. Please go show them some love. I want to thank Judy for being amazing and putting this collaboration together for us. Thanks, Judy. You're the best. Thank you again for visiting my channel, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.